What up, fellas? Mega Mini for Flawless PYT number 30, 834. Timestamp it. Got it. Let's grab the list. Everybody's paid up. Thank you, guys. Much appreciated. Good luck to everyone that's in. Dropping the list. Dice has to be 4 more. Here we go. It's a 10. 10 times. Top 15 are in. Oh my goodness, as you guys can tell, I'm super excited. Oh, this is going to be fun. Who's it going to be? Top 2 spots. Could be big money. Last and final. Number 10. Here we go. Good luck. Boo! Ralph. Dave, Phil, Ralph, Zachary, Phil, Ralph, Andrew, Dwayne, Elizabeth, Ralph, Dominic, Dwayne, Mike Joseph, and Ferd. There you go. There's your top 15. That worked out perfect. And PNANMX is the code. We are done, guys. Congrats, everybody who got a team. Sorry, everybody else that did not. 8:35 timestamp. Thanks, guys.